Advantages of case study method. So, data may be gathered through case study method in the form of observation, interview, and questionnaire. So, different methods followed through this case study method. Case study means a single occasion, single incident, single event, thoroughly narrated, analyzed by the scholar. Whatever incident, a problem has been selected by the scholar, that was deeply explained by the scholar. In this case study method, there are several advantages to the scholars. First one is it turns client characteristics into usable data. Whatever information gathered by the scholar, it turns into useful data. So, clear and close observation must be needed to scholar through this case study method. That is also one of the required and important characteristic of case study method. It turns opinion into fact. So originally he will observe what is going on there, and he collect information from them. He gather information. So originally opinion turns into fact. So whatever information gathered by the scholar, researcher, that is depends on opinion. That is also one of the characteristic of case study method. It is relevant to all parties involved. So maximum all parties must be involved in this case study method. That is also one of the important characteristic of case study method. It uses a number of different research methodologies. In this case study method, scholar must be used different methodologies. They are questionnaire, observation, interviews, which is required in different times, that must be used by the scholar. That is one of the characteristic of case study method, and it can be done remotely. According to scholars, it can be done remotely. So occasionally it may be done remotely. That is also one of the characteristic. And next one is, it is inexpensive. According to scholars, it is inexpensive. Some selected sample area has been selected by the scholar. One problem has been selected by the scholar. That is not expensive. So very low cost needed to analyze about the research area in this case study method. It is low expensive, so not expensive according to scholars in this case study method. It is very accessible to readers. So unknown persons can easily understand. And readers and information seekers and researchers can understand this research problem easily, this case study method, because time to time, day to day, hour to hour data can be analyzed by the scholar in this case study method. So these are important characteristics of case study method. And also this case study method was originally developed in the field of clinical medicine. It was developed in the field of clinical medicine. A case study is an investigation into an individual circumstances. The investigation was be of a single person, a business, event or group or family or any occasion or incident or accident. Selected problem can be thoroughly analyzed in this case study method. That is also one of the characteristic of case study method.